Hi students, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. So, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு குட் நியூஸ். வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக இனிவரும் நாட்கள் டெய்லியும் ஒவ்வொரு டாபிக் நம்மளுடைய ஃபேக்கல்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் லைவ் வீடியோ ஸ்ட்ரீம் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க போறாங்க. Wish you all the best my dear future doctors. டாபிக் ஏதாவது வந்து கிளாரிட்டி வேணும் அப்படிங்கிற எந்த கண்டென்ட் ஆனாலும் கமெண்ட்ல தெரியப்படுத்துங்க. அதுக்குண்டான சொல்யூஷன் வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக கொடுக்க ரெடியா இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோக்கள் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
And I am Kiran Kumar Reddy, Vari Medical Academy. Today we will discuss about electrochemistry. Electrochemistry. Okay. Electrochemistry is a branch of physical chemistry, or it is a one part of physical chemistry which deals with electrical energy converted to chemical energy and chemical energy converted to electrical energy. There are two types of interconversions. One is electrical energy converted to chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Actually, two species are involved. One is electricity, another one is the chemical species. There are two species are involved. The one is the electricity, another one is the chemical species. There are interconversions, means electrical energy converted to chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Now, what is the importance of electrochemistry? By using electrochemistry, we can extract the metals like sodium and chlorine. And we can use in the metallurgical process, electrolysis method, we can abstract the sodium metal. Another purpose is our brain signals from brains to nerves based on electrochemical impulses. It is used in battery chemistry. Another one is it is used in the fuel cells also. It is the one of the useful. Now coming to the some important points in this electrochemistry. One is the oxidation. Before we entering into this electrochemistry, we can discuss oxidation and reduction. What is oxidation means? Very simple oxidation, simple definition: adding of oxygen, addition of oxygen, that is called oxidation, and removal of electrons, and next one is increasing of oxidation number, increasing of oxidation state. Another one is a removal of hydrogens, these are the called oxidation. Addition of oxygen, for example, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2, H2 plus of O2 gives rise to H2O. Here is addition, simple adding of oxygen. Another one is the removal of electrons. I am taking removal of electrons, means any metal, and here is Mn2 plus 2 electrons. Here is removal of electrons, it is called as oxidation. Increasing of oxidation number, for example, Mn plus 2, 2, Mn plus 4. Here is oxidation number, this is oxidation number, plus 2 plus 4, increasing oxidation number, that is called oxidation. If you take reverse, that is called reduction. Addition of hydrogen, very simple, addition of hydrogen, and next one is removal of oxygen, decreasing of oxidation number, and next one is here is adding Here is addition of hydrogen. Here removal means here is addition of electrons. Addition of electrons. These are the reduction. Oxidation and reduction is the very important terms while we are entering into the electrochemistry. There are only two types of interconversions. One is electrical energy converted to chemical energy, chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Now coming to the reducing agent and oxidizing agent. What is a reducing agent? Reducing agent. The substance which do, what is a reducing reagent means? Oxidation. The substance which do oxidation reaction, that is called reducing agent. Another one is the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Now oxidizing agent, the substance which do reduction reaction. Reduction. Now I am taking according to the electrochemical series. What is electrochemical series? Metals, non-metals arranged increasing order of their standard reduction potential in the on hydrogen scale, that is called electrochemical series. What is electrochemical series? Metals, non-metals arranged increasing order of their standard reduction potential in the form of series on hydrogen scale, that is called electrochemical series. Now reducing agent means oxidation. Now lithium is a strong reducing agent. Reducing agent. If you take a fluorine, it is act as a strong oxidizing agent. This one fluorine is a strong oxidizing. This one lithium is a strong reducing agent. For example, I am taking lithium, sodium and potassium. Lithium, sodium, potassium and zinc. Which one is a more powerful reducing agent? Now we can take lithium. Lithium is a powerful reducing agent. Lithium is a small size. What is the specialty of lithium? Small size, high hydration energy. High hydration energy. Hydration energy. Next one is the negative SRP value. Negative standard reduction potential. These are the important whenever we entering the electrochemistry means these terms are, you have to remember: oxidation, reduction, reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Next one is some important terms is electrolyte. What is electrolyte means? Electrolyte is a substance in the form of aqueous or molten state or solid state which conduct electricity, that is called electrolyte. Electrolyte, during electrolysis, it can be to form two oppositely charged ions, cation and anion. Okay, coming to one by one we discuss. Actually, what is conductor? Conductor means the substance which allow the pass of electrons. The substance which allow the pass of electrons through it, that is called conductor. The substance which allow the pass of electron through it is called as conductor. All metals are conductors. All metals are conductors except, what are the except? Except means rubber. Except is a rubber. Rubber is a insulator. Next one, and rubber, plastic. Another one is the wood. These are the insulators. The substance which does not allow the pass of electrons. Because insulator, we can take insulator. Insulator means the substance which does not allow the pass of electrons. The electrons are not passed. This is the, for example, this is the insulating rubber. Whenever passing electricity, there is no electrons are passing through it. That is called insulator. Okay. The examples of insulator: wood and plastic and rubber. That is a insulator. Now coming to the electronic, their conductors are divided into divided into electronic and electronic. We can take, there are two types. One is the metallic conductor. We can take a metallic conductor. Another one is a electrolytic conductor. Metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. Here I am taking metallic conductor means the electricity is, the conductance is depends on electrons. Electrons is responsible for conductance in metallic conductors, which they are depend on electrons. Here is depends on ions. The conductance depends on ions. What are the ions? Cations and anions. Okay, these are the electrolytic conductor. This is the metallic conductor. But metallic conductor means you can take copper wire. Here is conductance depends on electrons. Here is conductance depends on ions. Okay, here is because electrons means mass is not transfer. Mass is not transfer. Where mass is not transfer? Metallic conductor. Where is a mass transfer? Electrolytic conductor. Mass is transfer because ions are responsible for conductance. Ions are responsible for conductance. Mass is not transfer. In the both the cases, when Ohm's law is applicable, Ohm's law is applicable in the both the cases. Applicable. Here also Ohm's law is applicable. Ohm's law is applicable. I equal to V by R. V equal to IR. We can take anything. I equal to V by R, some books, and IV equal to IR. In this Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. The resistant potential difference, I is the ampere current. Now here also, in the both the cases, Ohm's law is applicable. When here metallic conductor, when temperature increases, resistance increases, conductance decreases. For example, in this electrolytic conductors, what is happening? When temperature increases, resistance decreases, conductance increases. These are the some difference between conductors. The conductors means electronic and electrolytic. Electronic conductors are divided into metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. Now metallic conductor I am taking, and conductance depends on electrons. Here is conductance depends on ions. Okay, here is mass is not transfer. Here is mass is transfer. Next, Ohm's law is applicable in the both the cases. Another important point is temperature increases in metallic conductor, resistance increases, conductance decreases. Here is temperature increases, resistance decreases, conductance increases. This is the very basic level. We can conductors are divided metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. I am coming to the electrolyte. What is electrolyte? Electrolyte is a substance in the form of solid state or molten state or aqueous state which conduct electricity, that is called electrolyte. Example electrolyte: NaCl, KCl, magnesium chloride, MgCl2, H2SO4 and HCl, and weak also there, CH3COOH, NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. These all are the weak or strong. We have to know this is the weak. But electrolyte is a substance in the form of solid state, molten state, aqueous state which conduct electricity. During electrolysis, it can be splitted into two ions. One is the cation, another one is the anion. Okay, these are the examples of electrolytes. Next one is the electrolysis. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the process in which some chemical reactions occur at electrodes during electrolysis. That is called electrolysis. Electrolysis is the process in which some chemical reactions occurred at electrodes during the passage of electricity through electrolytic solution. That is called electrolysis. We can simple definition electrolysis. We are writing electrolysis. Electrolysis. What is the electrolysis? Electrolysis is the process in which some chemical reactions occurred at electrodes during the process in which some chemical reactions occurred at electrode by passing electricity through electrolytic solution. That is called electrolysis. The process in which some chemical reactions occurred at electrodes by passing of electricity through electrolytic solution. Which type of chemical reactions occurred? Which type of chemical reactions is favorable? Means anode. At anode, oxidation reaction takes place. At cathode, reduction reaction takes place. What is oxidation? Oxidation means removal of electrons. And reduction means gaining of electrons. Now coming to the electrolytic cell. What is electrolytic cell? Already we first informed. There are two types of interconversion. Chemical energy converted to CE I am writing. Chemical energy converted to electrical energy converted to chemical energy. There are two types of interconversions. Okay, now I am explaining electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell is the device in which converts electrical energy converted to chemical energy. That is called electrolytic cell. What is electrolytic cell? The device which converts electrical energy to chemical energy. That is called electrolytic cell. And the electrolytic cell is the single device. We can take a single device. This is the one of the device, means beaker. I am taking two electrodes. Two electrodes means one is the zinc electrode, another one is the copper electrode. This is the battery, connecting to the battery. Now this one is the zinc electrode I am taking, and this one is the copper electrode. Now I am taking, here is NaCl is a electrolytic solution. Where is the electrolytic? What is the electrolytic solution? The solution which conduct electricity, and during electrolysis it can be splitted into Na plus and Cl minus ions. Now the device which converts electrical energy to chemical energy, that is called electrolytic cell. And the electrolytic cell contains zinc electrode is act as anode, and copper electrode is act as cathode. At cathode, what reaction takes place? Reduction reaction takes place. At anode, what reaction takes place? Oxidation reaction takes place. Oxidation. What is oxidation? Removal of electrons. What is reduction? Gaining of electrons. Now I am taking, based on electrochemical series, we are taking zinc is a negative potential and copper is a positive potential. It is having more reduction potential, zinc having more oxidation potential. What is oxidation potential? Oxidation potential means the metal tendency to lose electrons. That is called oxidation potential. The metal tendency to gaining electrons, that is called reduction potential. I am taking two potential. One is the oxidation potential. We can write OP, oxidation potential. Here is a mv rise to m2 plus 2 electrons. Here is removal of electrons, means oxidation potential. Reduction potential means reduction potential. Whether reduction potential means gaining of electrons. Now here is M2 plus and 2 electrons V rise to M. Here is a reduction potential. Now is zinc having more reduction potential, copper having high, this one is zinc having more oxidation potential and copper having more reduction potential. Now at zinc, during when electricity means battery using means electricity is providing, during electrolysis NaCl is splitted into Na plus and Cl minus. Na plus ions are splitted during electrolysis. NaCl is splitted into Na plus and Cl minus ions. Now Na plus ions are migrated towards cathode. Here is a Na plus ions are migrated towards minus. Plus ions are migrated towards minus. Here Cl is deposited, Cl gas, actually gas, and that is deposited on anode. Now what is the overall reaction of NaCl? Electrolyte is the NaCl solution. Now I am taking NaCl is the electrolyte. It is during electrolysis it can be splitted into Na plus and Cl minus. Now what is the anode reaction and what is the cathode reaction? Anode means already you know, wherever the anode is present oxidation, wherever the cathode reduction. Anode means 2Cl minus V rise to Cl2 plus 2 electrons. Here is 2 Na plus 2 electrons V rise to 2 Na. This is the overall reactions of electrolytic cell. Very easy. Electrolytic cell. What is the electrolytic cell? The device which converts electrical energy to chemical energy, that is called electrolytic cell. In electrolytic cell is the single device. In single device, two electrodes are present. One is the zinc electrode, another one is the copper electrode. These two electrodes are connecting to the battery. Battery is the source of electricity. Whenever passing electricity, NaCl is dissociated. They are splitting. They are dissociated into Na plus and Cl minus. And Na plus ions are where they are going. Na plus ions are migrated towards cathode. Cl minus ions are migrated towards anode. At anode, what reaction takes place? Oxidation. At cathode, reduction reaction. Reduction means accepting electrons. Anode oxidation means removal of electrons. This is the electrolytic cell.